my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Sayani and I am vlogging today again. You already know by the title. So why am I vlogging? Because I have too many things to do today. Like I have to shoot one YouTube video, one Instagram video, and maybe I'm gonna shoot some pictures for my Instagram too. So I thought of let's vlog today because it's going to be a very busy day and I want you guys to take you through along with me, because I want you guys to know the actual behind the scenes, like how I shoot my videos and all. So yeah, let's begin with today's vlog. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna brush my teeth and I will see you guys later. I'm done brushing my teeth and the first thing I'm gonna do is I will make a to-do list for today. So when I have a lot of things to do within a day, I make this to-do list, so it's easier to plan and schedule everything one after another, and in this way there is no chance of forgetting things. So yeah, I'm gonna make the to-do list right now. So I'm done with the to-do list. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is shoot the YouTube video, and then I have to shoot the Instagram video as well, and for that I have to make the plan and script for them. Now you can ask me what's that. So basically I plan and note down everything that I need to say in the particular video before actually shooting the video, so there is literally no way to miss out any important point, and it's easier to shoot the video when you already have a plan. And the most of the content creator do this thing, like the planning and scripting before actually shooting the video. And most important, if the video is a brand collaboration, the brand actually send their guidelines and the key points that need to be said in that particular video. So it's very important to plan and script the video before actually shooting it. So yeah, now I'm gonna have my breakfast, and along with that I will write down the script and plan the videos for YouTube and Instagram. So this is all I am gonna have as my breakfast.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing.
So I'm done with my breakfast and I'm done planning and scripting my videos. So now first I'm gonna shoot the YouTube video, and for that I have to make the setup. So this is actually the place where I shoot my YouTube video. So yeah, let's quickly set this whole thing up.
The one who loved me for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame a past.
So yeah, that is basically the whole setup. So here I'm gonna sit and here I'm gonna keep my phone. So yeah, I don't have any tripod. Like I have a tripod but I don't use that because it's broken. So as you can see, the setup is ready, and now I have to get ready, but I think I'm gonna take my shower right now because today is going to be a very long day. So right now is the best time to take my shower, so I will catch you guys in a bit. So I'm done taking shower and now I'm going to start getting ready. So the very first thing I need to do is freshen up my face a little. I usually do this step in the shower, but I really wanted to share it with you guys, the face wash I have been recently using. So this is the Mama Earth Vitamin C face wash with goodness of vitamin C and turmeric in it. I like to use it every morning while taking shower. Just pump out a small amount and apply it on your wet face, then gently massage with your fingertips in a circular motion. Because it has lemon oil in it, so it's exactly smells like that. It instantly freshens up and brightens up your dull skin, and the smell lifts your mood. You smell fresh, you feel fresh. This face wash suits all the skin types, especially if you have oily skin. Just go for this face wash and I'm sure it will do magic on your skin. It removes all the excess oil and leaves your skin super healthy, fresh and radiant. All the Mama products are free from harmful chemicals like silicone and paraben, and they are made of all the natural ingredients. And what I absolutely love about this brand is, one, they are a plastic positive Indian brand. So 1135 metric tons of plastic has been recycled by Mama Earth, and 1 metric ton means 1000 kgs. and you can calculate how many kgs of plastic they have recycled. I mean, how great is that? Second, every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant, and they will send you the exact geolocation, the picture and the species of the tree. Mamaearth has planted more or less 1 lakh trees till now. Third and lastly, 50,000 sanitizers and 20,000 cloth masks were distributed by Mamaearth to the COVID heroes. You can use my code, which is Paul2021, to get a 20% discount on their website, which is mamaearth.in. Mamaearth products are available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Also, Mamaearth has launched their official website. Users get early access to sales and will get extra discounts. So I'm done with the preparation, and now I am going to start doing my makeup quickly. I'm done with the makeup, and this is how I quickly do my makeup before shooting. And now I'm gonna quickly do my hair too. So I'm done with everything, and it's 12:30 right now. I'm quickly going to start shooting the video, otherwise I won't complete my every task. So yeah, let's do it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then hi, my name is Sayani, and in this video
I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to.
Okay, so I just got done shooting the YouTube video, and while you're watching this vlog, the video I just got done shooting is up on my YouTube channel. It's an editing tutorial. The link is in the description box. I know it's a bit confusing, but yeah. And I am super hungry right now, so I will have my lunch and then I will continue vlogging the day. I will do my baki ka kaam also. So yeah, I will see you guys after I am done having my lunch. So I am done having my lunch, and now I just have to remove this setup because Instagram video के लिए अलग setup लगेंगे. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly remove all this. Okay, so it's currently 3:35 p.m. and I am done setting up my Instagram video ka background, and I'm quickly gonna change this top and I will start shooting the video. So this is what I did. I don't have the rod thing, so I have to hang this. I needed this natural lighting, so what I did, I just set up the setup here, and here I'm gonna keep my phone, and here is my laptop, and I'm gonna sit right here and I'm gonna shoot the video. So I quickly changed the top, and I just did again this hairstyle. This is my current favorite hairstyle, by the way. I always end up doing this hairstyle only these days, so yeah, don't mind me.
But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me.
Hi, so you might have noticed that I was clicking pictures in between shooting the Instagram video. Yes, I don't know what happened. I suddenly felt like clicking pictures. So the pictures turned out really good, and it's a plus point because I haven't clicked pictures from a really long time, and now I have some pictures to post on Instagram because I was running out of pictures. Now I was thinking that I have clicked the pictures, so I was thinking to shoot a reel too for Instagram, like जो होता है ना वो get ready with me plus picture idea wala reel, aesthetic kind of video. So I was planning to shoot that. So to make the reel, what I do is select any filter from Instagram, then go to this down arrow section and select the hand free option. Now tap and hold the record button to turn on a 3-second timer. Now you don't have to hold it by yourself to take videos, it will automatically start recording. Now make small clips like this and trim out the unwanted parts and add music, and you are done. Here is the final reel. I couldn't put the actual music here for copyright issue. You can watch this reel on my Instagram.
Me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you.
So I'm almost done with everything. The only thing left is to edit the video, which I am going to do today, but not right now. Abhi, I think I'm gonna take a little nap because I'm super tired and it's 5:43 right now. And then I will edit the videos. So there is literally nothing to show in this video anymore. सब काम मेरे ख़त्म हो गए हैं एंड ये वीडियो बहुत ही लंबा एंड बोरिंग हो जाएगा. आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट, सो आई थिंक आई एम गोना एंड द व्लॉग राइट हियर. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Do shop or do check out Mama's products. The links are in the description box. And also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hope I didn't, no chance.